wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my name is Syed. I am student of grade 8B at Indian School Doha, Qatar. So far, I have done 8 videos on the chapter Algebraic Expression and Identities and 17 more videos yet to do. I am doing question by question in each video. This is my passion project. I request my class fellows and whoever studying in grade class 8 to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Your comments and suggestions will improve my skills a lot. So thank you. Now let's start. So today's question is a little bit different. In this question they have given us, in our previous questions we have done only length and breadth, and in this question we have got an additional thing which is height. Now we have to find 3 things in this question. We have to obtain the volume of the following length, breadth and height. So the length, breadth and height. Now the first question is 5a, 3a square, 7a raised to the power 4. Now we have 3 terms here. One is 5a and the second one is 3a square and the third one is 7a raised to the power 4. Now let's write the answer. As we did previously, 5, 3 and 7, we are going to separate the constants and the variables with their powers. So let's separate the constants first. So the constants are 5 into 3 into 7. Now we are going to multiply the length, breadth and height. So we are going to multiply all these. So think this, the 5 is length, the 3 is breadth and the 7 is height. Now let's multiply them. So 5 into 3 is equals to 15 and 15 into 7. Let's do it. 15 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7 plus 3, 10. So we have got 105 equals 105. Now let's look at the powers, variables. Now variables are a into a square and into a raised to the power 4. Now here we have 3 variables. So we have to multiply them. A into A which is equal to A. Now look at the powers. We have the power 1 here and we are going to add it with the power 2. Now 1 plus 2 equals 3 and add 3 plus 4. Now 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then when we add them we get the answer as A raised to the power 7. Now this is the answer for the first one. 105 raised to the power A raised to the power 7. Now let's go to the second question. The second question is 2p, 4q, 8r. So we have 3 terms in it, but we have 3 different variables here. In the previous question we had the same variables here, but in this question they have given us the different variables. Now let's try to solve them. So 2 into 4. Now first we are going to separate the constants. 2 into 4 into 8. 2 into 4 equals 8 and 8 into 8 equals 64. Now separate the variables. P into Q into R. And now multiply them. P into Q equals PQ and PQ into R equals PQR. So we got the answer as 64 PQR. And the third one is XY. 2x square y, 2xy square. Now this is the question. We have same variables in each term. In the first term we don't have any constant, so no need to take one or take the variables. we are going to directly take the second term, the constants of second term. Now equals 2 into 2. There are two variables, two constants in these terms. 2 into 2 equals 4. Equals 4. Then x square y, xy square. We are going to write it. xy into x square y into xy square. Now look. Now we have to pay attention on these variables and the powers. Now look at the variables. X. We have three same variables here, which are x. Now multiply them, which will be equal to x. Now look at the powers. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now we got the power of x, which is equal to the power 4. Now look at the second variable. We have two variables here. Then y and y square. Now we have two same y's here, but in the last y we have a square. Now add their powers. First doing that, multiply them. Y into y equals y. Then look at their powers. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then we got the powers of y equals 4. So the answer for this is, I'm going to write it separately, 4x raised to the power 4 and y raised to the power 4. So this is the answer. Now let's go to the last one. The very last one is a, 2b, 3c. Now we have three different variables here, so we are not going to add their powers. Now let's write their constants first. So the constants are 2 into 3. Now multiply them, which is equal to 6. Now separate the variables. A into B into C. Now A into B is equals AB, and AB into C equals ABC. So therefore 6ABC. So this is the answer for the fourth one. Now we have found the length, breadth and height of the whole questions. Now we will do the question number 5 from the same exercise in next video, inshallah. Thank you.